All right, so my next video in this series is going to be mystery science. Obviously, this addresses the science content area. Um, However, I this was kind of difficult. I didn't know if I should include it, but it seems like a great resource. Right now, their memberships are free. As you can see here. So it's free through this school year. However, I'm not sure if I think this is just probably something to do with Corona. So hopefully it's still okay to include in this because I do think it's a great resource. I'm not sure what the cost is otherwise. But so this is just a great, easy way. I know science doesn't have as much time allotted to it typically as a lot of other content areas. So this is a great, I guess, resource for. I mean, they have any grade level. Just what it does is it provides a video for the students, and along with that video, there's also activities. So, like, if you look at this one, it says activity robot finger, whatever that might be. But this is definitely going to be aimed more towards teachers, just because science isn't a lot of people's strong suit, and this way it makes it a lot easier. And along with it, it also does include the NGSS standards. So sign up is very easy. Again, for me, it was just an email, name, create a password. That was it. Done. And again, this is free right now. But you can select your grade level. So in my case, I have 5th grade is what I'm doing my student teaching with. So I click over here. I click Web of Life because that's what I want them to learn about. That's the science that I want them to go for. And within it, it has a series of lessons. So you can see this particular unit has 6 lessons. Each one has an estimated completion time for the video. Might be a little more if you have to explain some things. And then the completion time for the activity that goes along with the video. So pretty much you just click whatever it is and play the video. And then if you go down here, you do have your activity prep. So this will go over everything that you're going to be doing in the activity, along with all of the supplies that might be needed for the activity based on classroom size. So I have 18, so let's see, did it update? Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. So 18 copies and all that. And again, so you do have extensions over here, so you can actually tie this easily into Google Classroom, which is nice because, at least at my school, that is what we're currently using with the students to prepare for the possible eventuality that we end up having to go virtual this semester. And we go over here and we actually have the content area standards. So we have the NGSS 5 LS2-1. So really nice. It has everything right there for you. It's very simple, very easy to use. Just play the video, finish the video, complete the activity. So this and this video does align with, where are they? A couple ISTE standards. It's going to be ISTE 2B, build on the shared vision by collaboratively creating a strategic plan that articulates how technology will be used to enhance learning. And ISTE 3D, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. All right, thank you.